Today, I'm going to show you how to activate voice mode on Claude AI in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful feature if you want to talk to Claude instead of typing, making it much faster and more natural to ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or get help hands-free. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Claude account using your browser or the app. Once you're inside your dashboard, start a new chat so you have a fresh conversation ready to go. This is important because voice mode is activated from within the chat window. Now look toward the lower right corner of the chat box. You should see a sound wave symbol there. That icon is the voice mode button. Go ahead and tap or click that sound wave symbol to activate voice mode. Once it's on, Claude will be ready to listen to what you say. At that point, simply start talking naturally into your microphone. You can ask a question, give Claude a task, or speak your prompt exactly the way you want it written. As you talk, your spoken words will automatically populate in the chat input field, so you can see your prompt being captured in real time. If needed, you can pause, review, and adjust the text before sending it. This makes voice mode especially helpful for faster prompting, accessibility, and using Claude more like a conversational assistant. If you don't see the sound wave icon, make sure you're in a supported chat view and that your microphone permissions are enabled in your browser or device settings. Also check that your account is signed in properly and that Claude is fully loaded before trying again. Once voice mode is active, you can use it for everyday tasks like writing, summarizing, planning, coding help, and idea generation without needing to type everything out manually. And that's it. That's how to activate voice mode on Claude AI. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial.